Yo, what's good with it, YouTube? Cam here back with a brand new video. In today's video, we're going to be making NFTs in Call of Duty Black Ops 4. If you are new to the channel, make sure you do leave a like and subscribe for more crazy Call of Duty content like this. And yeah, man, without further ado, let's get into the video.
Called the first one Savage Mode, my mood, that's what it was. 2016, we was running around beating.
Now, 3 things before getting started with this video, man. I do not make NFT videos, but I wouldn't say this is my last time, but it's my first time just trying it out. And I would do it on the most recent Call of Duty Vanguard, but Vanguard doesn't have it where you can do custom emblems. Call of Duty Black Ops 4 is the most recent Call of Duty that has custom emblems enabled. This game been out for 4 years. We're gonna be making some expensive NFTs that's worth thousands of millions of dollars. So whether if you're into NFTs or Call of Duty, man, make sure you do leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you could. That would be greatly appreciated. I'm just gonna walk you guys through on how I made these NFTs and how you can do them if you want to do them, or if you want to do it in Photoshop. It's basically the same concept. It's just I'm doing it through a Call of Duty engine editor. Second thing is, man, I got a giveaway going on right now on Twitter. It'll be the first link in the description. Make sure you do join my Discord server and follow the Twitter, man. Those would be greatly appreciated. Third thing, I forgot what I was gonna say for the third thing, so we just gonna get straight to it, man. Kick back, relax, get your popcorn and all your snack. Let's get it. All right, so the goal of this video is to make 2 NFTs. One NFT is gonna be one of the most sold expensive NFT that cost over $600,000. Call of Duty Black Ops 4. You guys see I already started off with the dark blue background. And we got the first box and we got a second pink box. But the challenge of this, you guys see there's only up to 64 layers I can use, and I already used 4. All right, also in the picture, we're gonna need to make the ears for the cat. We can use this right angle and really rotate it like this to make the cat ears. And the color of this is like a grayish, so we can do like this color will be good. Underlayer that, then put it right there, and also change the color of this one right here. There we go, got that grayness. Now we're gonna copy that and then we're gonna paste. So I'm gonna move that, we're gonna flip it. Flip, there we go. We're gonna make the other side ear. We got our next layer. Now for the eyes. So it seems like the eyes is just another box, but it has a second box that's white. So it's gonna be a black box with a white box, and like 1/4 of the box that's white. So here we go. We go to first eye, and then we're gonna copy, paste. We're gonna move this eye to the next side and get another box. Let's go ahead and make this box black. Oh no, I was wrong. So the eye is really black, but it has one part of the eye 1/4 white. So I'm gonna get this right here and put it under that layer and then shrink it. So it's about 1/4 of the eye at the top left. There we go, got the first part. And we're gonna do the same, just gonna copy, paste, and bring that over, and then get this 7, put that over the black box, and then shrink it. And there we go, we got the eyes. Now for the little blushes. So it's cool how everything's pixelated, because all I have to do is usually just use blocks. We're gonna put those as pink, but a little more lighter pink than the original pink box that's there. So let's shrink that a little bit, and then we're gonna copy, paste, and then we're gonna do the same thing for the other side. There we go, just like that. All right, then the nose is nothing but another black box. So what I could do is copy, paste, and then get that and then make it real small. And it's more towards the right eye. There we go, that's the smallest it can go right there. And now to make the mouth. So the mouth looks just like this. That's crazy. So put it like that. It's got to be a smiley face. The cat is smiling. There we go, right there. Then it also has this like one little extra part that's sticking up. So what I could do is use the letter I and just put that there. There we go. And remember, his mouth is black, so go ahead and change the color just like that. There we go. Now we're done with his face. Let's go ahead and get more into the body. I'm not gonna cap, this should look like a Pop-Tart, but the background is not white, it's more like a Pop-Tart color. So it's got like a tan, yellow, oranges type color. So we'll do this look good just like it. Then it has these bright, darker pink colors. That's boxes that's inside of it. So we're gonna get a box. We're gonna make this the pink that it is. Yeah, it looks like this type of pink. We're gonna shrink it, and it's about that size. And I'm gonna keep randomly copy and pasting these boxes until random spots on it. So copy, paste. We're just gonna keep moving them around, and there we go. We got his body. Now we just need to get his feet. So his feet look like some cylinder type shit, or like these, like a one of them Puff Cheeto type figures. So it's one of them directly in the middle, under the middle of his mouth. So we'll put it right here. We'll make sure it goes under. Got to change the layer order, and about right here is good, so it can be underneath. And then the color is the same color as the face, just like that. And we're just gonna do the same thing. We're gonna copy, paste. We're just gonna move it down to about right here, because his next one is at the end of his face, and then his back two legs. So we're gonna copy. I'm gonna paste it right here because it needs to be underneath that back box. We're gonna put one right here, then copy, paste. We're gonna put that last one. We actually gonna flip it and then turn it and have it like this. That's about good. Oh, and then lastly his tail. So gonna do one more copy and paste, then we're just gonna get a little bit bigger, and that should be good with his tail. And now for the rainbow. Now don't get me wrong, I do not fuck with this rainbow shit, but you know, it's a part of the NFT, and this shit made a lot of money, so let's do it, man. Remember, I got to do it exactly how the NFT is. So there we go. We got this little wavy thing right here, and we can make this the first color of the rainbow. That is red. There we go. And we're gonna easily copy, paste. We're gonna bring that down some, make it a little bigger. And for this color, it looks like orange is next. The orange don't look too good, but this is about one of the best oranges I can get. All right, there we go. We'll stick with that, and we're gonna copy, paste. We're gonna bring it down some. Then the next color will be yellow. Here go yellow. And then we'll do copy, paste again, bring that down, and then we got green. That green is gonna go over. There we go, just like that. And then again, copy, paste, bring that down a little bit. Then we got blue, more like a lighter blue than this, but it's good. It's still a good blue. And then the last color is gonna be purple. So we're gonna copy, paste, bring it down a little bit. We're gonna change it up a little bit too, make it a little bigger. Then we got a purple. But then I'm gonna put the purple over every single one. I'm gonna fix it up a little bit, and we'll just do it like that. And we got damn near everything. Now to finish it off, we're gonna add the little background things that's in the background. There you go, adding like these little target things. I think they call crosshairs or something like that. There's other type shit. I'm gonna add these. We're gonna add like a plus type thing. So let's go over, let's get an eye. We're gonna copy and paste. We're gonna just rotate it. There we go, 90 degrees. Then just add some extra dots. By the way, everything in the background is white, so I don't have to change the color of it. There we got a dot, copy, paste. Gonna move that somewhere random, copy, paste, move that somewhere random, and then same thing, and we're gonna keep moving around. And there we go, man. We made the first NFT in Call of Duty. I don't think no one else has done this, and I'm gonna go ahead and save this, man. I named it NFT1. And we're just gonna do save changes. All right, the next NFT just might be easier, but it's called the CryptoPunk. This NFT alone has made over $11 million. And now that we finished the first NFT, we're gonna do this NFT right here. It looks like a green light, it looks like a light blue Squidward with no nose, got a mask with a orangish reddish clay hat type with a little earring to the side. So that's enough talking, let's get straight to doing it. First we're gonna make the background. The background is all white, and then we need to go ahead and get his neck. So I'm gonna start with the eye. You can't see it yet, but I'm gonna change the color. And the color of this guy is really like a light blue, but it's like a light greenish at the same time. This is like a perfect color for it. So this can be his neck right here, and then it has a black background stroke over it. So all I gotta do for that is just go back to the eye and just make another box that's black and just go up from that. And there we go. We're gonna just create the outline of it first. We're gonna copy, paste. We're gonna move that over to over here, and it's gonna be furthermore down to create the chin. We got that right there. We're gonna copy, paste. We're gonna go ahead and get the chin. Let's move that. We'll make a little bit more smaller. There we go. Then he has another black box, so we're gonna be using a lot of boxes. Go ahead, change the color of it to black, and it's like it's connected by the edge of it, so we'll do it about right here. Then it's another line for his face, so we're gonna copy, paste, and then we're just gonna move that up like this, connecting it to the corner, and this line goes all the way up to his hat. So about right there is good. I'm gonna go ahead, copy and paste this black box and then put it under right here, because we're gonna connect this earring. And also I'm gonna bring it up again. Remember, I only used 8 layers so far, and we only can go up to 64 layers. Hopefully I'll be able to get all these in the time, or in the amount of layers I need to use. I'm gonna copy and paste the box again, and this box is gonna be yellow. Now let's move it up. There we go. We're gonna copy, paste, and we're gonna move this box over to the left side of the earring, and the same thing, copy, paste. We're gonna put this box on top of the earring, and then we're gonna just keep copying and pasting these boxes on the same way how the picture is. All right, there we go. The next copy and paste, just like that. And I'm just gonna throw 2 boxes. Gonna copy, paste, move that over, connect these, and same thing, copy, paste, boom, there we go. And also I gotta match the sides even. Bro, something real unfortunate just happened while recording. So I use OBS Studios to record my videos, and while I was making this NFT, my OBS Studios crashed on me. But as you guys see, we finished the NFT and it looks good, man. Remember, this NFT that someone created made over $11 million and still going to this day. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you do leave a like and subscribe, man. That would be greatly appreciated, especially if you made it to the end. If I do some way somehow release an NFT or anything that involves NFTs, it will be in the description. I'll also have it pinned in the comment section. These are my first times ever making an NFT in my life. But yeah, man, other than that, it's been your boy KM, and I'm out. Peace.
Young Kiko.